my Publix haul, Publix heist. Again, this is two transactions, January 17th and January 19th. $308.62 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $12.60. So yes, some of these deals are going to expire tomorrow. But if you watch my video, I already posted these deals on January 14th. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get the deal on the first day. This is kind of the end of it. But I did this January 17th, January 19th, and I did figure out a couple new deals. One was this. So this was quite a money maker. $2.09 for two, $1.50, $3 off in coupons. So 91 cents money maker on each two. Also found Ibotta had this on there. Ibotta had this on there. So even more than that. And Ibotta had this on there. And I got it January 17th and it reset. I got it again January 19th. Got a few more Flintstone gummies on January 17th. The coupon expired, so I was able to get a couple more. And this was from the new extra savings, 4 off of 2. So I got that as well as Ibotta on this one, $1 on that one. So I guess not $1 on this one, $1 on that one, and $2 and $2 on Ibotta because it reset on that one. You use the $2 off coupon, the $4 off a 2 coupon. Both of those were in this January 3rd retail, not, and the January 3rd also had, I believe, this one, which was $1.50 off. So yes, I also had the Flintstones that expired were in there. So here's a new deal, and this will be on. So for a little longer, this was a Publix digital coupon, $5 off of 2, and then $2 off in the extra savings book. So that'll go on till January 29th. They were on sale, as well as it's only for the 30 count pads, but that's a good deal. These were forgot to add this Publix Promise. So these were on clearance. So I saw those, got my eye. I was originally going to use the digital coupon that expired January 19th, as well as this one, $2 off, and I did. So I was going to pay 99 cents for both of those, and I was happy with that. Publix Promise was granted. They rang up $8.99 each, meaning I got this one for free. This one went down to $4.50, meaning they refunded me $13.51. So that was about a $4 money maker on those two. I know I'm talking fast. All the details are below. The breakdown, everything, what I did, what insert I got it from. So once again, please subscribe to my channel. Here's the January 14th deal and some more cool stuff. Once again, paid shop, $308.62 worth of goods. Publix heist of $12.60.